African countries should scale up investment in infrastructure as a key driver of intra-African trade and regional integration. Africa International Chamber of Commerce and Industry Advisory Board Chair Brigadier General Dr. Wallace Williams says better connectivity will enhance the movement of goods and services across borders, strengthening supply chains and create a more competitive business environment.
Despite Africa's combined GDP surpassing $3.4 trillion, intra-African trade accounts for less than 18% of total exports, a gap largely attributed to poor transport networks, energy deficits, and non-tariff barriers. The African Development Bank says the continent needs at least $170 billion annually in infrastructure investments to sustain growth and unlock cross-border opportunities. To bridge this gap, African governments are being urged to prioritize public-private partnerships, digital infrastructure, and green financing.
We want to be able to do that, spread what we have locally and generate income in our economies first, right? We also say local content, make use of what we have first, and it is the balance that we export.
We want to be able to support those minds who are coming with innovative ideas or certain companies that can be able to be scaled.
There is also need for countries to align their national budgets with the African Continental Free Trade Area goals, fast-tracking customs digitalization and strengthening local manufacturing to reduce reliance on imports.
We in Africa, what may have been the challenge over the decade, which is excess equity and cost, today all three could be hammered down to nothing, and the doors of integration opens up. You'll be able to move seamlessly through intelligence and identify opportunities through this 1.4 billion, integrated with the rest of the world, and you have then fabulous opportunities.
They said modern ports, efficient rail networks, and reliable power supply are the backbone of continental trade. Ndutamokami for Prime Edition.